Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable incognito mode in Google Chrome. So first, you just have to simply go to the site. Just visit the link in the description below. Now this is what it looks like, and what you want to do is just simply scroll down till you see this download button here. At the top right corner, a notification will show you that it is now starting to download. Once done, open that folder, or you can simply go to your download folder and then locate the file. Now here, the next thing you want to do is to simply double tap the file or double click the file. A small box will pop up, and what you want to do is to simply click the run button. And then here you will see this. So read this one if you want. And then, are you sure you want to continue? Tap yes. Okay, and then click OK. By modifying the registry, Google Chrome for Windows users can disable incognito mode. In macOS, it can be turned off by making changes to the Chrome property list file. So I really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.